Good morning, everybody. I am heading down to the Triton Lounge for some easy Disney trivia. We're at the Bahamas. I think we might get off. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But I'm going downstairs, so I'll see you guys at the Triton Lounge. Here we go. Let's see. Good morning. Might have a chance on this one because there's nobody here. Just giving you guys a little look-see since there's really nobody in here. It's pretty cute. I mean, I wish it was a little bit bigger just because last time it was standing room only when we were in here. But this is where they seem to have most of the trivia this time around. Okay, so we did the Disney trivia. We got 20.
Easy Disney.
And then we got, what did we get? We got Mickey! Yay! So we don't have to do any more trivia because we won one. Oh yeah, we did. And they also gave a hat. That's pretty cool. So now we're gonna get breakfast because we're hungry. Crazy, because we're gonna have lunch later. And I didn't realize like that 10 o'clock breakfast was going to still be insane. I thought it wouldn't be as bad because most people would be getting off the ship. But no, 10 o'clock. Breakfast is really hard to find a place to sit. And there's still long lines for food. But that's all right. It's the buffet. What are you going to do? We stopped in the Heroes. And it's the Incredicourse. So when you come here, make sure, I know a lot of people just like wearing sandals and flip-flops. Bring a pair of socks because you have to have socks to do this. It's pretty neat looking. Josh says he wants to do it.
Oh yeah, I'm not really dressed for it. I don't
No? Oh. Boo. Next time? So I guess you go through here and you get attacked by raccoons. And you go up a hill. You go through these little spirally things. Oh. And I guess you go up here on this slide. I think it's a slide. Oh, good game, good game. Okay, so Josh got in the Cove Cafe this brew colada. So it's got cold brew and then Selvaray coconut and then coconut water. But look, they put like coconut shavings on it. That's really cute. And then of course me, look at me with my pina colada. That's my go-to. Okay, so we're having a realization while we're here in the Cove Cafe. We were looking at these fans and look at them. They're not real. These are not going to turn for you. These are fake fans. Why? Why are they here? We're just like cracking up on this. Okay. We want fans. But they're just here. There's something too. The Royal Gathering is going on. It's so pretty. They have like Moana and Cinderella and Tiana down there.
Here on board,
and we're in the Luna Lounge and we are here for Disney food trivia. Food trivia. Yay, we did it. It's exciting. Okay, now we really don't need to do trivia. I think we're good. We got Goofy.
All the trivia.
Okay, we decided we're getting off the ship. We're gonna do it. I'm going down the stairs. Stairs and cameras do not mix. Ugh. All right, so we'll see you outside. Yes. Oh. We've made it off the ship, and it's very windy out here, very blustery. Very mindful, very demure, very blustery. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll see. Okay, gotta do our tradition. Taking our butt picture, the butt of the ship. Right now, it's Rapunzel. We are going to venture out of the gate and see what we can find over here. Oh, I think I see what Josh wants to do.
What? Right there.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not too busy.
Yeah, hopefully it's not too busy. So what did we decide on, Josh?
Sharkeez.
Sharkeez. Yay. Something we've never done before. Something touristy.
Very touristy.
Very touristy. Ooh. Alright. I got my Goombay punch, and it comes in this nice insulated cup. I get to keep it with me, so I have a reminder of coming here to Sharkeez. How touristy of me. And Josh got a beer, Kalik Platinum. Very bohemian of him.
Cheers.
Cheers. We decided to get the barbecue bacon cheeseburger. It was pretty big, so we just decided we were just gonna split it.
We split?
We split? We're splitting it. And then it came with some fries too, but we kind of started eating it before I started videoing, so eh. And because I'm a big dork, I wanted to come see where the Hard Rock used to be. And there's only like some tiny little remnants remaining from it. Like right there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little guitar on the stairwell right there. But underneath these like advertisements, they have like guardrails that have guitars on them, but they're of course covered up. But this is the old Hard Rock. Sad. I think we're done. Bahamas. We're gonna get back on the ship. We had some lunch. We saw the old Hard Rock, and I think we're good. I think we're good. Are we good?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
G to G.
We're good. Ready to go. It's time for the member celebration. This is something that we always do, just to enjoy the drinks, free waters. Gotta love those. And it's just fun. I like doing them. They play like games, and sometimes you have a fun little friend here too.
Learn about the latest deals and whatnot.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because the Poly and the tower is opening real soon, December.
Yep.
So I need to go and check that out.
Trying to book it?
Yeah, gotta book it.
Doing it?
Book them, Nano.
Hello everyone, I'm Dottie Clinton.
Mackenzie from Pennsylvania. And what's your name? Pennsylvania too. Excellent. Now, can you give me your best Woody impression? Can you say, "There's a snake in my boot"? Very good. What about Buzz Lightyear? We went to Men's Lounge at Epcot, and we asked them to name us a Disney villain. Okay, here we go. There it is, an iconic Disney villain. So we're going to start down here with Team Musketeer. Team, you can help, you can help. What are we going for?
Ursula.
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 Let's take a look. Let's see if Ursula is up there. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, we're moving on.
We are in the Luna Lounge, and this lighting is horrible in here. We just finished with Disney Music Trivia Live. We did not do so good because it's really hard when it's not like the actual song. It's played by a piano, so it makes it a lot more difficult. Now we are waiting for bingo. Because we haven't played bingo in a long time, so we figured why not? We're getting everything all ready for bingo. I'm behind this pole. I might move. I don't know. I think I might move.
Here. Now these are automatic and they mark all the numbers off themselves. They change their name and all you have to do is sit there. It's great. It's like lazy bingo. How exciting. Now you can purchase one of these for $40 and that has 24 cards of every game, or double your chances for $10 and then you get 48 cards of every single game. Alright, so those are our tablets. Then we also have these paper card packs here. These you mark off yourself. You get 3 chances for every single game. They look like this and you can purchase one of these for $25 or 2 of them for $40. Now, the best value option and the thing that most people do tend to go for is what we call our family pack, everyone. Our family pack is great if there's more than 2 of you in the house because you can share it amongst everybody. And with our family pack, you get 2 of the 24 card tablets and then 1 of the paper card packs, alright? So with the family pack, you get 2 tablets and 1 paper card pack. Make sense?
Alright, we got our pirate gear on. Got my pirate spirit jersey on. We're ready for our... It's not really a full pirate day, I guess, because it's we're still getting like the regular dining options in the dining room. Just because I guess they want to give you like the full like experience, I guess. I don't know. Sorry, just trying to adjust it. But I did want to show you for platinum. Come on. For platinum, down here, they give you the chocolates. Well, you got a couple of different options too, but there's different. They're like chocolate truffles to choose from. Sorry, it's not really. Hold on, let me take this out. You get some chocolate truffles, and there's all different kinds. There's different things you could get. You can get like a fruit basket, or you can get like a Prosecco drink if you want to. But anytime you come on the ship and you sail, you can get, and you're platinum and above, you do get like a little gift. So that's kind of nice. So now we're heading to 1923 and we're gonna go have dinner. Yay! We are in 1923 tonight and it's very pretty. It's very like art deco-y, and it has a lot of the maquettes and sketches and designs and stuff. And it's really nice in here. Right, Josh?
It's beauteous, just like you.
Oh look, Beauty and the Beast. We got the tricolor tortellini. What'd you get?
The duck vomit.
Oh, the duck confit.
Duck vomit.
Duck confit.
Duck confit. I swear.
Alright, so we got our main course, and Josh got the salmon. Salmon. And I got the filet mignon. Oh, no thank you. And yeah, that's not pretty, it's pretty good looking. It's nice. Oh, there you go. I got the churros. And it's got like a caramel sauce. Josh got the Fuji apple cheesecake. Looks good. We're gonna be doing something we've never done before. It is Decades Music Trivia. How do you feel about this? Confident?
No,
No, me neither.
you gotta crash and burn.
It's just something fun to do, I guess. So, yeah. Find out, I guess.
All right, here comes song number 11. 10 o'clock over in Luna Lounge, a space that can actually accommodate the late 80s. But tonight, the fun starts at 10 o'clock over in Luna Lounge with our Heard That. It's my favorite game show on the Disney Wish. We're going to play you some sound effects from one of your favorite movies, television shows, or music, and you have to try and guess what it is. Then it's our only adult exclusive karaoke. Yes. So make sure you come back at 10:30 after the fireworks, or come to Heard That and then stay for adult karaoke, keeping the tunes running until past midnight. But first, I want to know who won this trivia. So, if you got one or more points, make some noise! Congratulations, you're all winners. Have a good night, everybody. Just kidding, there's prizes at stake. 5 or more.
Do so good. It's okay.
25.
Came in Mickey's main sale just to look at all of the pins. What's on the other side? Oh, see, this one is so cool. This one looks like the chandelier in the atrium. This wasn't here the last time. Ooh, we can get one of these keychains or a pleather Mickey keychain, or they have a Minnie, and they have a Stitch. They have a wheel and a Josh.
And then Josh, have more pins there.
Oh, we're going in here. This is the first time we've been in here. These are so cute. Look at Sadness. The memories. There's disgust in here. There's lots of fun treats. Candies. But we can get these in the park though. And oh, who's over here? It's anger and fear.
Some core memories right here.
Yeah. Making memories. Look at all these yummies. Good, how are you? They got the macarons.
Wow, look at these, like,
Oh.
chocolate spheres.
Whoa. What's in them? We should get one.
Yeah, magic.
We got Oreos. We should
Yeah,
get
six-pack.
one of these. You want a macaron?
I don't know, what are those balls?
I don't know. We should ask. Look, they got Bing Bong. A Bing Bong sundae. Ooh. And this is all the treats. They are. And look at all this gelato. Wow. And then they have ice cream too. Look, they have all of the posters for all the different areas, and Riley's mind, the train of thoughts, and then joy. You got the red velvet cone with some brownie batter and triple chocolate. Triple deck gum.
Triple chocolate.
Triple chocolate. We also picked up these too. These are like some cute macarons. And they're different flavors too, like passion fruit. Oop, cookies and cream. I'm gonna spill them all over the place. Lemon, chocolate. Did I say chocolate already? Vanilla. I can't open it. I just want you guys to see them because they put like little designs on them. Yeah. I can't open it. Ah.
Remember my first time.
But like, can't see that one. Let's see. Look, this one has like fear on it. I thought he'd be in purple, but I mean, this one you can barely see it, but it's got the little Disney Cruise Line logo. And this one has joy. Oh, this one says Disney Cruise Line on it too. I'm touching them all. If you don't mind. Then this one says Disney Wish. Isn't that cute? These are cute. These were, we didn't find out until afterwards. They're $12.75 for 6 of them. That's crazy, right? Oh. But I'm sure they're good.
I'm sure.
We ate 2 of them because they're very sweet, and we had ice cream too. So, and this thing is indestructible.
It's a wallet.
Yeah.
It's a macaroon wallet. It's a macaroon vault.
Well, we know they won't get crushed.
So I can put them in my back
Yeah, you can put them in your back pocket and then like
sit on it.
it'll be okay.
Macaroons are safe.
Macaroons are safe. Woohoo! Let's check them out. Make sure
They're safe.
they're safe. Yay!
No damage to
No.
the macaroons.
They're okay.
In the macaroon vault.
Macarons.
That's why they cost as much as they did.
Yeah.
Because they shipped them in a vault.
Yeah, they're $12.75. So, eh. If you want atrium pics or you want to get nice views of stuff, the best time to do it is when everyone is in the show and dinner. Because that's what everybody's doing right now. And it's so quiet and peaceful over here, which is nice.
Like 90% of the passengers are either at dinner or
Yeah.
at the show.
Yeah.
There's a few people
Yeah,
around.
there's a few people around, but
It's really very, very quiet.
yeah, and that's nice. And people are getting ready for Pirate Night. Came to. We're at the Wishing Star Cafe. And it's so cute. Look at this. I have a tiny little Jiminy Cricket statue. It's adorable. And Josh is getting a coffee at like 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Have a try. It was sweet enough for you.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sure it was.
Oh, Josh got the special Agatha all along drink.
Yeah.
It's purple. You gonna try it? It's got ube in it.
One?
It's good.
Yeah, that's good. Oh. Thank you.
Purple drink. Here's the advertisement for it. So it's got like ube, condensed milk, oat milk, coconut syrup, and espresso in it.
That's really good.
Paella.
Absolutely.
Yes. All right. What's your name?
Oh,
Hard question.
I'm Ashara.
Ashara. Okay. Now the easy question: how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop?
All of them.
Oh.
Oh my God.
How do you know to get to the other side?
Just shout another profanity so the kids run away. All right, hands behind your back, staring intensely at each other, I guess, because that's what Drew wanted to do anyways. And I want you to name this TV show.
Golden Girls.
Is it the Golden Girls? Yes.
Ultimate Disney trivia. It's at least what it says up here. Ultimate Disney trivia. Ultimate.
Oh,
General.
this is terrible.
But it is ultimate.
You're ultimate.
You're it. You're the ultimate. It's automatic, I'm sure of it. We just got done with trivia. We won. We got Daisy medals, but we wanted to run outside real quick because they're going to do fireworks tonight. Disney's the only one that's ever going to give you that because they're the only ones that can do fireworks at sea. So I love it because all the cruise ships that are around us will like all kind of huddle around us just to watch the fireworks too. But yeah, there you go. And it was like 2 minutes of fireworks. But you know what? I guess we're kind of just spoiled because we live near the park, so we can see the 15 and 30 minute shows. But it's still cool that they do this on the ship.
Yeah.
You know, like, I think it's neat.
So yeah, we're on what, deck 5?
Yeah, we're on deck 5, like
Outside
on
of Senses,
outside of Senses.
on the starboard side.
Yeah.
obviously.
So instead of us going up there where the big party is, where there's so many people, we came down here and we had plenty of room, and it was still a nice view of the fireworks. So
They did pump in the music
Yep.
once the fireworks started.
yeah, once the fireworks started, they pumped in the music, which was nice. So yeah, this was a good spot. Thanks, entertainment lady, for letting us know from the trivia. So yeah, this is great. I'm glad we did it. So yeah. We just got back in our room. Look, we got the Kraken. He's so scary with his gold coins. And we also got our sad thing because tomorrow's our last day. And
Oh, we did get this.
we got these. Oh, I showed that too already. Yeah, I already showed off the chocolates. Ah, and time zone change. Remember to turn your clocks back 1 hour upon retiring this evening. Gotta remember to do that. Right, Kraken, buddy? He's not gonna talk to me.
Stop cracking. The butt cracking.
So we are going to go to bed. At least we got an extra hour of sleep. Ka-ching. Nice. Tomorrow's Castaway Day. Are we gonna get on the island? I don't know. We didn't think we were gonna get off on the Bahamas, but we did.
We did.
But happy Pirate Day. I hope you guys enjoyed the fireworks at sea.
Yes, they were awesome.
That was fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed the Bahamas and Sharkeez and trivia and food and all this stuff that we did. Oh, I didn't show you guys real quick.
We won, was it Daisy or?
Yeah. Our Daisy medal. There you guys go. Pew, pew, pew. So, yeah, anyways, we're gonna go to bed. Because, you know, tired. It's way past our bedtime.
It is.
Because
we're
the
old.
fireworks are at 10:30 and they ended at like 10:42 or 10:32 because they're only like 2 minutes long. But it's why am I like this? I remember when I used to go to bed at like 4 o'clock in the morning, and now here I am. I'm like 9 o'clock. I'm tired. I want to go to bed. But anyways, sorry, I'm rambling. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye, guys.